Hey everyone, welcome back to Home with Kimberly. I am your hostess Kimberly. I'm not turning the camera on myself because I look pretty rough. But welcome to the next episode of What Did Kimberly Buy? So this is my Aldi Commissary grocery haul. I actually increased my budget this time just because we go through food like crazy. I cook all the time. I cook pretty much every single day. We don't eat out much, so we'll make good use of a lot of this stuff. Some of this stuff will last us longer than, through the next shopping trip, but I'm not gonna blabber on a bunch. Let's just get right into it. So we'll start with the strawberries. Of course, I've got lots of fruit this time. My daughter will kill this stuff in no time. One of these little seedless watermelons. I got some blackberries and raspberries. Lemons, I'll use that in cooking. I'll use that in my drinks. Got some apples, blueberries, bananas, oranges. I know you guys are probably thinking that is a ton of fruit, but trust me, my kids will destroy it. I got a couple of cucumbers. My daughter loves eating those. A pineapple, again with the fruit. Corn on the cob, I'll be making probably with an upcoming meal. Celery, mushrooms, of course some lettuce, romaine, a cabbage. I'll be making some Hungarian stuffed cabbage. And if you have been avidly following my channel, as I know you all have been, of course you'll anticipate that I will be doing the cooking tutorial on a lot of these meals that I make. If I don't remember to name off every single meal I'm making, you'll see the video out there soon enough because I usually record all of my cooking, my dinners and such. Jalapenos, I'll use in cooking. Of course, I've got some fresh rosemary, some fresh basil, some things I'm going to do with that. I've got a whole roasted chicken. I'm going to make one of those, and then from that I am also going to make some homemade canned chicken stock. So we will be going through that tutorial together. Of course, some chicken breasts. There are several different things I can do with that. I needed some half and half for an upcoming meal, I think. Of course, my tomato juice is for my stuffed cabbage. Restocked my vegetable oil, and then I've got, of course, my eggs and a couple of gallons of regular whole milk. I've got some buttermilk. I'm going to be actually doing some baking too, some breads and stuff, so yay, all kinds of tutorials coming up. And so that's why I stocked up on my sugar, and I doubled up on my flour too because of the baking, and also I needed some more powdered sugar. I got just this off-brand, it's like an off-brand of Rice Krispies. My daughter loves that, so I put that back on stock here. Let's see if I can get back around here. I tried to make this so nice and neat for you guys this time. I think I stacked some of this too close together. I got some animal crackers. These little favorites, kids, they've got the little cheese in the middle, snack crackers. Some peanut butter wafers. Some of these cupcakes. My daughter loves donuts, so I got her a variety pack. These little Cheez-Its. Vanilla wafers, of course, we always keep those on hand. Oatmeal cream pie. I got some crackers because I'm going to be making some chili, and I was out of crackers. Of course, my son's variety oatmeal is a must. That's what that child pretty much lives off of, that and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And then I've got a big bag of potatoes and red potatoes. The red potatoes, I'm actually going to be making some loaded potato soup, so that will be delicious. And restock my garlic. And then I got yellow, red onions. I use a lot of onions in my cooking. I think I already showed you that. Fresh parsley. Then I got these little streusel streusel cakes. So that's kind of all the snack stuff. But wait, there's more. Let's go on over to the other station. So continuing on, yes, this is still all Aldi's we are on. Got some brown sugar. Of course, I'll use in my baking. Got some flour tortillas. Obviously I'm doing something with that, but I don't remember off the top of my head. I got some whole mozzarella I'm gonna use in one of my meals, some Swiss cheese. I'm actually gonna be making some Reubens coming up, so I'll be using that. I got a couple of candies. My daughter asked for some gummies, so I got her some gummies, and the family likes Twizzlers. We kind of snack on those. These Great Northern beans I also want to can some ham and bean soup, yay! So hopefully if I can get to that within the next couple of weeks, you'll see that tutorial. Some strawberry applesauce, of course, for the kids. These Jello snacks, strawberry Jello snacks for the kids. I try to keep a lot of this stuff on hand. They're always, my Kids are always wanting snack stuff all the time, and it's just easy if I have a good variety on hand. Otherwise, we just blow through stuff left and right. Of course, I restocked my olive oil, and then these are all my canned goods. I got some collard greens, some peas. I've got few cans of corn, green beans, and then the chili beans for my chili, some diced tomatoes. I got some more salsa because we do like chips and salsa sometimes. This roasted, organic, double fire roasted salsa. Got that from Aldi's. I thought that looked pretty good. So we'll try it out. I got the tomato basil sauce, some marinara sauce, and there's some hot sauce and syrup because I ran out. Some shells and cheese just for another option to have on hand for a quick side item. String cheese, we are cheese people. I've got some Mexican style, some Italian style, and then taco style. So we eat a lot of nachos and stuff. The Italian style I think I got for a pasta dish that I'll be making, along with that Parmesan cheese there. And behind it, I've got those yogurt squeezies. My kids love those. I've got a couple of things of chicken broth and beef broth, which I can't wait to can my own broth because it's so much better. But I don't have any broth right now, and I do need some for some meals I'm gonna make. I got a couple of things of goldfish for the kids, some orange Jell-O snacks, and 2 bags of pretzels. My daughter loves pretzels. Sour cream cottage cheese, which I'll be making a little cottage cheese side dish with my Hungarian stuffed cabbage that I always make with it. It's so good. Some unsalted butter, just some regular, generic margarine, whatever, for cooking, and then a couple of cream cheeses for when I'm going to be doing some baking. I got these mini marshmallows basically just for my daughter because she's asked me every time I go to the store to get her some marshmallows, so I did get her some. It is Valentine's Day after all, so happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I got some vanilla extract for baking. I was out, of course, my active dry yeast. And then I've got some double stuffed cookies and some of these little cheese dip cracker snacks. And then moving into some of the meat, I got a sub kit, some lunch meat to have on hand. I got this hot Italian sausage. I will be making some zuppa Toscana soup later. It's gonna be so good, so stay tuned for that video. Of course, breakfast links, I always keep that on hand for my husband. I got some shrimp. That's gonna go in one of my pasta dishes that I'm making. And then I just restocked up on some bread. I did get some bagels for our little coffee station because my biscotti is almost already gone, which is pathetic. Hot dog buns. I'm gonna do something simple like some chili dogs sometime within the next couple of weeks. These were on sale for like $1. Now they're about to, I think the expiration date is actually today or tomorrow, but I'll just throw these in the freezer until I'm ready to use them. They'll be perfectly fine. And then I got some more little peanut butter toasted cheese crackers, or not toasted cheese, but peanut butter crackers. Some gum and some paper plates. I needed more of these scrubbies because mine are falling apart. I had 2 little Valentine's balloons, one for my daughter and one for my son, and my son was playing with these in the checkout and he lost his balloon somewhere. I have no idea where it's at, so maybe I'll ask his dad to pick one up on the way home. But I also got them these adorable little plush animals. The unicorn, of course, is for my daughter, and the little puppies for my son. They were only like $3 at Aldi's, so I'm gonna give that to him with the balloons and those little heart chocolates that I bought on my last run. And then I also got these items from Aldi's, non-food items, just some paper towels, toilet paper, diapers, and wipes. And now we will move into the commissary portion. Okay, so I got this ham chunk. Now, I don't know, this might be for my bean soup. I had this on my list. I can't remember why I had it on there, but I'll let you know that this will come up in one recipe coming up for sure. For my chili dogs, of course, this chorizo I'll be making in a meal, and some bacon. I always love to have bacon on hand. And this pastrami I got to go in my Reubens. I couldn't find any corned beef, so I do like pastrami a lot, so that works. And then ground beef that I'll be using, some turkey sausage. I love having this on hand just for a quick, easy meal. Yes, I have 4 things of Pringles. My kids will destroy these, but I didn't get any Pringles the last time, I don't think. So I went ahead and got them some. I've got some more of this ham because we'll be making some more omelets, and this might be for my bean soup. I don't know. One of these is for my bean soup. And then of course a red and green bell pepper, I'll use that in my cooking. Some garlic bread to go with my pasta dish. This I believe I got to go when I make my homemade chicken stock. I'm going to be putting some fresh herbs down in there to flavor that broth. Of course, this dark rye bread is for my Reubens. I got some Kaiser rolls for some sandwiches I'm going to be making. And then I did pick up one bag of frozen fries. I got the waffle fries just for something different. And I did pick up a bag of these little chicken nuggets for my kids. Sometimes it's just nice to have something quick and easy to go to for that. And then I got this bag of kale. This is going to go into my zuppa toscana soup. And of course, we have our soda run here. I love Canada Dry soda. My husband loves the Mountain Dews, and everybody kind of drinks the brisk teas. And then I also got some more Lysol wipes because I was out. I got 2 big things of the Dunkin' Donuts coffee because I noticed last time we kind of ran out rather quickly, so I got the bigger packs this time. And finally, yes, I'm coming to the end of it. I got some Velveeta. This is going to go in my loaded potato soup. I got some of these hot and spicy noodle cups. My daughter absolutely loves those. And lots of little drinks, some apple juices and some other kind of little organic juices for the kids to have on hand. Of course, my daughter loves her little nacho Lunchables. I had to restock those for her. And a couple of sides, some Spanish rice, and I got a couple of packs of this yellow rice we'll have on hand. My husband loves beans and rice, so give some different variety there. And then I got some different juices, some passion fruit, some fruit punch, some peach punch. This coconut milk is actually for my zuppa toscana. Of course, that's for my chili dogs, and this is for when we want to have nachos. The Thousand Island is for my Reubens. I needed some more breadcrumbs, so I picked up another canister of those. And then of course my lactose-free milk that I got for my son, and that is everything. I know it's quite a lot, but like I said, I cook pretty much every single day.
So as I said, I will be creating several meals. Out of everything that I got, I will be posting those videos. So I hope you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!